Moms and dads, today I'm going to show you guys what my toddler eats in a whole day, and of course whatever he's gonna eat is completely healthy, so definitely it's gonna be helpful for you guys. And welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good and also your kids are doing good. So yes, it's very important what our baby, our toddler, our kids they eat, because very important that they don't eat white sugar or they end up eating maida, and this is really not good for health for adults and also for babies. So what I give my baby in the morning is that once he's done with his brushing teeth, I give offer him water, and once he's done drinking water, immediately I give him breakfast because he'll be super hungry. So today I made pancakes of dosa, which is really healthy. I added in that Nutri-Mix, the powder that you guys saw in the beginning of the video. It's really healthy and very good. You guys can see how lovely, I mean, the tastiest that my baby was eating it really, and he was very happy. And post that, I gave my baby fresh cream, that is the malai or the cream that we get it on the milk, which is really good for skin and it is really healthy as well, and my baby loves it. And post that, by mid afternoon I give my baby somewhere around 11 o'clock, I give him either a fruit or a veggie like a cucumber or a carrot, and then around 1 o'clock I give my baby a proper meal. I prepare meal with olive oil, that is cooking olive oil, and then I add ghee, 1 tablespoon of ghee on the food, so that it's really healthy. We all know ghee is really important and it's really healthy for adults and also for the kids. And along with that, I either give him cucumber or curd, because since it's summer, so it's really good and it's really healthy. Also I add pumpkin in that, because pumpkin is really good. Pumpkin, as in not the orange pumpkin, I'm sorry about that, that's actually bottle gourd, which is really good and it keeps the baby's body cool. Also for adults, bottle gourd is very good in summer, it actually keeps the body cool. So that is how I'm actually managing, since he got heat rashes, and I posted the video like what happened actually, why he got heat rashes and how to cure it, and he got cured, my baby, within 1.5 days, and that's really amazing. So what I offered my baby, what I did, you guys can go ahead and check that. And definitely I'm ensuring that he eats more of the fruits and the vegetables that will cool his body, and it will help him to be cool in summer, which is really important. And post that, I always give him water after the meal, and I'm giving him water in a small glasses. That's like a development, another milestone for babies. And here you guys can see he's actually drinking in a big glass, that's what he wanted. So I'm okay with whatever he's okay with. And then he takes a nap for 2 hours, and post that, once he wakes up, I again offer him water, which is very important. Offering water to your baby is really good habit, and once they get that habit, they will keep sipping water, they'll never get dehydrated, their skin will be good, they will be healthy, and it's really important drinking water. And post that, I give my baby cookies that's made of no sugar and no maida, and it's completely healthy, I order from Slurp Farm. Then I give him a little bit of milk. Post that, of course, dinner time is somewhere around 7:30 to 8, he eats his dinner. And dinner also, I give him healthy food, rice, a portion, but in that rice there will be more of dal, I would say, because dals are really good for health, and of course it is easy to digest. Then I give him either something in the side like paneer, or you can give something else like a veg patty or something, which is really good and healthy. So that is what I offer my baby, and he really loves it, he enjoys it, and you guys can see he's eating by himself. I've already posted a video about that as well, that how I train my baby to eat by himself, which is extremely important. I've been training my baby to eat by himself, to sleep by himself. So all these videos I've already posted, you guys can go ahead and check. It will be really helpful for you guys, because I've seen many parents, they keep running behind the kids, and it's really a challenging task that babies they eat, because it's really like big task for kids to eat. And why this happens also is when you introduce milk to your kid, and you're giving them in a very big quantity, and if they start loving milk, then that's it, they know that milk is something really easy to drink, and it you can just finish it quickly, so they will start hating the food. So please be very mindful of when to offer the milk and how much quantity to give. It's very, very important. I give milk to my baby twice a day, but I ensure that it's really small quantity that I give my baby, because I don't want him to be just depending on the milk. I don't want that. I want him to also eat the food, which is very important. So that is the very reason why I give him very less quantity of milk. And yes, he is used to it now. He doesn't ask milk very frequently. Whatever the quantity I give him, he just drinks that. So also in the milk also I mix the Nutrimix powder, which is really healthy. And if you guys want the link for that, you can comment and let me know. I will definitely share the link. And I will also post a video where I will show you guys that what is the healthy snacks that you can offer to your baby, which will definitely keep them healthy. And even if they fall sick also, they will recover very quickly, which is really important. I hope this video will be really helpful for you guys, and do like, share and comment.